This is for whoever is interested in checking your vacuum system in your car for leaks. This is 2002 Ford Taurus. This is very inexpensive way, call it redneck maybe, of checking for vacuum leaks. What you need is a pack of cigarettes, the hose. Actually, I went to the junkyard and I pulled a hose from another Taurus that was located here, and that's where I'm gonna be tapping the vacuum system. Of course, you have to plug the air intake on the car, and that's pretty much it. So what it takes is you have to forgive me. I'm gonna be doing that with one hand holding the phone and another one doing the demonstration. So that's not gonna work. Take the cigarette out. I think it's self-explanatory. I don't have to talk through this process. What I do, I stick the cigarette inside the vacuum hose, blow lightly in it, stick this one in the other one, start blowing in this end. The cigarette went out. Well, it takes some strong lungs to do that process. But as you can see, I have a leak here at the EGR valve and here under the main manifold. So this is gonna be my project, yanking that thing out, EGR valve, and then removing the main manifold and putting a new seal underneath or something else. Alright, that's all I have.